guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create SZA's SOS album cover outfit on Dress to Impress. Simple fits, don't need VIP for this. I'm gonna just remove everything except for the eyelashes. I just used these eyelashes in the 7th toggle, position in the Y.48. For the hair I just used this in the color black in the 2nd toggle. Then for the outfit, I used this top here in blue and white, or did I do white and blue? I don't remember. Hold on. Okay, I did white and blue. So white first, and then this blue 1A295F. I also used these gloves in black. I didn't use pants. I don't really know if I should because it doesn't show anyways. Then I'm going to use these boots. And I'm going to add socks. First I'm going to color this color 67472B. The rest is brown color 302114. And then the last color white. That is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. You can also add shorts if you don't want it to be bare, but honestly, well, Dress to Impress already has shorts worn anyways. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!